today I got a customer brought in 2 Nintendo Switches. You can see what's wrong with this one. They have the screws here, but they damaged this somehow and it's ripped off right here. There's the cable right there. So I don't know what they were trying to do with this. So this was pried off or dropped, I don't know. There we go. I got it. Alright, we got that cable. Doesn't look like it damaged it. Or hopefully they didn't damage it. Let's put this in. See if it works. We have touch. Woohoo! This thing got sound. Alright, so we got touch working back for them. Disconnect the battery. Take that cable out. Obviously that's toast. Grab a donor one off another board or another casing. So yeah, I'm pretty sure the other screws are going to hold it just good. So yeah, this must have took a big nice hit where it separated the framing from the housing and pulled it enough to pull the cable off. So this thing must have flexed big time. Never seen that before. Always first for everything. this pain in the butt cable in. Nice tight fit. Alright, so there we go. We got that switch fixed. We actually got the touchscreen working for him too, without replacing the whole housing. So the customer should be happy. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys get a chance, give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel and you want to see some more videos like this, I got this one, blue screen of death. We're going to have to probably reball the RAM or the APU, which is CPU, GPU, whatever. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. As always, thanks for watching.